In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock a folder, or in other words, how to password protect or encrypt a folder so only you have access to it. And we're going to be using a tool today, which can be found at the website lockmyfolder.com. And this link is also directly under the video in the description box. If you click on it, it'll take you to this page. And you can download a free trial of it by clicking this green button. You are limited though to how many days you can use it, and also some of the features are restricted with the trial version. So if you want the full version, it is $39.95. Now I'd like to password protect a lot of my folders and files on my computer because I have a business, and so I like to make sure those are secure, so I obviously went ahead and purchased it and got the full version. And so here is what the software looks like. And you can see here this is a registered copy. And the folder that I'm going to show you a demonstration of, I made one here called it Super Secret Stuff, and in it you're going to see there's 4 documents. There's an image, an Excel file, a text file, and a Word document. And basically the only thing you have to do is either drop and drag your folder, or even a file, it'll password protect files just as much as it will folders, over here anywhere in this area. Or you can choose to click one of these buttons, the encrypt file, encrypt folder, or you can right click on the file or folder and it'll give you the option to encrypt it. And so I'm just going to drop and drag it, and it's going to ask me what I want to use for a password. I'm just going to use something easy, and then it's asking me for the strength. There's normal, high, and highest. I always choose mine highest. This is like a military grade encryption, just to ensure that nobody gets access to it. This option is not available in the trial, so if you want to make sure that it is highly encrypted, you will have to buy the software. And then there's the option for local and hidden, and local means that the folder will still be visible. If I click hidden, the folder will disappear from my desktop and will not be seen. The only place it'll be seen is here within the software where I have access to view it. Now the software itself can also be password protected, so nobody can open it up and see what files or folders you have encrypted as well. So we're just going to keep it on local and choose encrypt. And it moved it. For some reason after I encrypt it, it always moves it. But you can see here now the folder has a lock icon on it. So if I try to access it, it's going to tell me it needs a password. So I'm going to enter it. And then I get to choose a mode for browse, which automatically re-encrypts the folder when I close it. Temporary, which gives me the option to password protect it or leave it open, or completely remove the password protection. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to choose decrypt. And you can see here there is no lock icon now. And even though it's still showing up here, it's not. All I have to do is go down here and click the refresh button, and you can see that it's been gone. And so what we can also do is inside this folder, you can see that I have a few files in here, and I'm going to right click on this image, and for some reason it's taken a while. Okay, and then it gives me the option here where I can encrypt also just the file itself, or even shred the file. You got the option here to shred files permanently so they can't be recovered. But if I choose encrypt, it's going to ask me for a password to encrypt the image. And this time I'm going to choose hidden and encrypt it. And you're going to see that the image is no longer over here, so it completely hid that document from being viewed. And even though it's not showing over here yet, I just come down here and click the refresh button, and you'll see now it has been added into the software. And so the only place this file now is visible is within the software itself. And like I said, you can also password protect the software so only you can open it and see what files are in here. And that's done within the settings here in the security, where you can choose run the application with a password and then choose your password. And really that's all there is to it. It's super easy to use, and to decrypt it you can just right click, decrypt, and it's restored, and there's the image back again. And so that's how easy it is to use. There's also the option to protect complete drives. So if you want to, if you select one of these drives here and password protect it, not only is it going to lock it also, but it's going to hide it. And so you can do that with full drives. And you can do this with USB drives, you can do it with flash drives, external hard drives. Like I said, any type of file or folder, drop it, drag it, and you can easily lock it. So This is a really great tool, and like I said, you can find it here at lockmyfolder.com, and the link is under this video in the description box.